lot of fancy makers out there on YouTube doing a lot of great stuff with a lot of nice equipment. One will say, welcome to the cave, another will say, welcome to the workshop, and another will welcome you to her garage. I say, welcome to the basement. I'm going to show you a little bit about what you can do with simple tools, simple techniques, and not a whole lot of money, because that's what I've got. So let me show you quickly around, and later on I will start working on some projects and let you see what's going on. So the basic tools are, one, a camera in my phone for recording. This is my trusty table saw, bought used in 1964 by my father for $35 and a Christmas tree. It has been working ever since. It does not have all the safeties. It does not have any of the fancy stuff on it. So you'll learn to respect this tool. Over here, just about as old, we have my Delta bandsaw with brand new tires on it, working finally again. Then some of the newer additions we have over here. Scroll saw, barely gets used. Tiny little drill press. Love the heck out of that thing. Simple sanding and grinding. Now, none of these are bolted down because with limited space, I have to move them sometimes to work on a big project. The latest baby I've got over here, and I have been saving up for this, only a couple $100, but that could be a good deal killer. I got a planer. 12 inches, but that's good enough for the projects that I'm doing. Now we move into this other little room over here. Ceilings here are about 6'2", and it is 16 feet from end to end and only about 8 feet wide. Storage cabinetry with all my power tools. Hand tools. Wood storage. All my scraps of hardwood end up down there. And the wall of basic tools. Safety on that is broken. Again, needs to get fixed. These are things that'll happen as they go. This space has been a work in progress for the better part of 17 years. 6 of those I was gone. And as I go along, I will be building stuff up. This is going to be more storage space, pegboard for more tools. Out here, this wall, something's going to be done to it. Cleaned it up. Room for storage. Room for more tools, more clamps. That's it. This is my entire workspace. And this is where I make some pretty nice stuff. Not exceptional, but pretty nice. So stick around. Join me as I pop these things up here and there and see what can be made, what you can make, and what you can learn to do with what you have. Until next time, goodbye from the basement.